Welcome back to Auto Show Cars. Today, we're checking out one of the most intriguing lifestyle pickups of the year, the 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz Veteran Edition. It's bold, it's capable, and it brings a fresh twist to what a compact truck can be. From the outside, the Santa Cruz Veteran immediately stands out. Hyundai's signature front grille is now even more aggressive, with a matte black finish and bronze accent trims exclusive to this edition. LED daytime running lights and new 20-inch alloy wheels give it a premium yet rugged presence, and the veteran badging along the fenders makes sure everyone knows this isn't your average Santa Cruz. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine delivering 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, paired to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. It's not just powerful, it's smart too, with H-Track all-wheel drive giving it plenty of grip for light off-roading or bad weather conditions. Whether you're cruising down the highway or heading to a campsite, the Santa Cruz Veteran is built to handle it. But where this truck really shines is in its blend of utility and comfort. The composite bed is durable and scratch-resistant, with a lockable tonneau cover and under-bed storage. You also get built-in cargo rails and tie-downs, perfect for bikes, tools, or weekend gear. It's ideal for the urban explorer who still wants truck capability without going full-size. Step inside, and the interior is where Hyundai flexes its design game. The Veteran Edition adds unique leatherette and suede seats, bronze stitching, and a special digital instrument cluster. A 12.3-inch touchscreen with navigation, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a Bose premium audio system come standard. You'll also find wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof that adds to the upscale vibe. On the safety front, Hyundai includes its full Smart Sense suite, forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. You're covered whether you're driving through the city or heading out of town. With a starting price around $39,000, the Santa Cruz Veteran isn't just about style, it's loaded with features, tech, and personality. It's a perfect fit for those who want a versatile vehicle that blends SUV comfort with pickup practicality. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. This is Auto Show Cars. See you next time.